Unfortunately, this valve has been set too deep into the wall, so we will need to use an extension kit. In the extension kit, there are 2 sleeves, one for the round cartridge cover and one for the non-round cartridge cover. So we're going to be using the round cartridge cover in this case. With the round cartridge cover and the extension, the round one, you can see that it has this lip here, and that will face out towards the outside of the wall. And that will just slide right over. So then we can put the sleeve on, and the sleeve will actually go onto the inside of that extension sleeve. And now the backer plate. And then we also get longer screws so that they can reach the valve itself. And then the discussion plate. And then for the handle, we also send an extension that will go onto the stem of the cartridge and a longer screw to tie all that together. And then the lever handle. And just snug up the Allen screw.